Hello everyone, welcome to this course. Today we will learn the hands-off part of ledger configuration. So let's start step by step. First, we define settings for ledger and currency type. T code is finsc underscore ledger and path is SPRO SAP reference IMG financial accounting global settings ledger define settings for ledger and currency type. Now why we define settings for ledger and currency type? We set up ledger and currency type in SAP to maintain parallel accounting and record financial data in different currency correctly. Click on confirm and continue. Now click on position ledger 0L. What is 0L? 0L is leading ledger in SAP used for primary accounting and real-time financial reporting. It follows the IFRS or company's primary standards. Okay, continue. Now check 0L and click ledger folder and company code settings for the ledger. Double click. Continue. Now click on position. Company code. Our company code is VM01. Enter and save. Enter under Bhumi test TR. Okay, data was saved. Now back. Again click on position ledger 0L. Enter. Click 0L. Next, accounting principle for ledger and company code. Double click. Our ledger is 0L. Our ledger is 0L and company code VM01. Apply and save. Now, new entries. Just give IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards, and enter. Save. Continue. So our ledger configuration ends here. Next we will learn about GL accounting. Don't miss the next lecture and keep learning with us. Thank you for watching and keep practicing. Bye bye.